Robert the Rabbit and his father Jordan were going to play baseball. He wanted to be catcher and practice throwing out runners at second base.
Robert needed to know how far it was from home plate to second base, but he didn't have anything to measure it with. So he went hopping home to get his measuring tape.
His father said that since it's a right triangle, he can use the equation for Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Robert will then be able to find the distance.
Robert measured the distance from home plate to first base as 90 feet. The distance is also 90 feet from first base to second base. A in the equation will be the distance from home plate to first. 90 feet. B in the equation will be the distance from first to second. 90 feet. C is in the equation will be the distance from home to second.
Robert had entered the numbers into the equation. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. He came out with 90 squared plus 90 squared equals c squared. They started to solve it. Now, 8,100 plus 8,100 equals c squared, or 16,200 equals c squared.
The father now knew that they had to take the square root of both sides, which means to find the number that will multiply by itself gives you the result you have. The square root of 16,200 is 127.3 feet.
Robert was so happy that he was able to figure out the distance so he can practice throwing and get runners out if they wanted to steal a base.
Robert and his dad were happy they had the Pythagorean theorem.
Written by
Talib Williams,
Brandon Ferrata,
Dakota Waltz,
Wyatt Bischofsberger.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back. Let me root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old